Hey guys, this is Logan from Hanks's Hot Rods. Today we have a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. If you come up underneath here, you'll see that this thing has a full JKS 2.5-inch suspension lift. It has Fox shocks and progressive springs. JKS lower control arms, a drag link flip kit, has an adjustable track bar in the front, quick disconnect sway bar links, dual front steering stabilizers with Bilstein shocks, and brand new OEM rear sway bar end links with the bushings. If you back up, we'll see we have a fab Ford front bumper with the light bar. We have the tinted marker lenses all the way around. We have the JL hood latch conversion. These are much sturdier than stock. This thing does not move at all going down the highway at any speed. Over here we have the General Grabber 275 70/18 tires sitting on the 18x9 Pro Comp wheels. Stopping this thing, we also have Hawk drilled and slotted rotors all the way around with DBA brake pads with brand new stainless steel Russell brake lines. We have the Smittybuilt tubular rock slider side steps, Quadratec rain guards all the way around. In the cab we have Corbett front seats. These things are brand new. Grab bar, grab handles all the way around. We have a bulletproof aftermarket phone mount, GoPro mount with a touchscreen Bluetooth Kenwood DVD head unit. The thing has a built-in backup cam. It's on the spare tire mount. We have the Tread Lightly floor mats all the way around, front, back, and in the cargo area. Go ahead and take a look at the back seats. Very clean, no rips or tears. We have the Jeep aluminum fuel door. This thing's very sturdy. Tinted out brake lights. Full size matching spare. Take a look at the cargo area. There's no swapping the hinges on the tailgate. Tread Lightly rear cargo mat. Very clean. This thing has been very well taken care of. Up here we have the Aftermarket shorty antenna. Gets very good reception. Under the hood we have an Aftermarket Corsa performance intake. Very clean under the hood. No leaks or drips anywhere on our floors. As always, clean Carfax. Let me go ahead and get this thing started up for you guys.